Dear students, today we are just going to start scansion. This scansion is essential for the honors students, English honors students, and those who are the poetry lovers. The poetry is formed in a special meter. It is written in some special meter, and today I am trying to make you understand what is this meter, what is syllable, and what is foot. So let us start how to know or to recognize the meter in a poetry. Whenever you read the poetry, these are the essential rules of the poetry that makes it different from the other sorts of verse. For example, Spenserian stanzas, Chaucerian stanzas, Ottava rima, terza rima, couplet, quatrain, like this and that. So, what is this meter? What is the foot? And what is the syllable? So, in the first episode of this lecture, I would like to make you understand about the foot, syllable, and meter. So, let us start with this. Syllable, foot, and meter. I am giving you a word especially to make you understand about the syllable. What is syllable? Suppose your name is Asutosh. How many syllables are there in Asutosh? If anybody asks to you, then make it as Asu, where the pause is Asu. The second one is Tos. Hence, it is called two syllable. Asutosh has two syllables. One is Asu, second is Tos. So, it has two syllables. Is it clear? Now, these syllables have the accent and light. When I say accent, it means stress. When you pronounce it, it has some stress, or it may not have the stress. This is called unstressed. Stressed is known as accent. This when you pronounce it Asu, then Tos. Asu, you put stress on Asu. This is the sign of stress. Tos, it is the sign of unstressed. So, make it this sign. This type of sign is known as stressed. It is also known as accent. And this type of sign is known as unstressed or light or slack. It has two names. This type of sign is unstressed. This type of sign is known as stressed. So, Asutosh has two syllables. Asu is stressed, Tos is unstressed. So, syllable is clear. Now, come to the foot. What is foot? When the two syllables makes one foot, two syllables, how it will come? Let me have a poetic line to make you better understand. The poetic line is, if I am taking the poetic line, then let me have a the curfew tolls the knell of parting day. It's a famous line of elegy written in country churchyard. So it is a poetic line. Now we are making an scansion of this line where syllable will come, foot will come, meter will also come. Now when we divide it, the cur, the has one syllable, cur has other, few is next syllable, the cur few, tolls is another one, the is another one, again nail is other one, of other one, par other one, ting other one, day rest. So how many syllables are there in this line? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 syllables. Is it clear? Next, when two syllables make the one, first we will see where the accent is, where the light is. I mean to say where the stress and unstress follow. When we say the is unaccent, means unstressed, cur accent, few unaccent, tolls accent, the unstressed, nil stressed, off unstressed, par stressed, ting unstressed, day stressed. So we are now making it as two syllables. The cur, few tolls, the nil, of, par, ting, day. Now this is called 1 foot, second foot, third foot, 4 foot, 5 foot. एक होगा तो फुट, दो हुआ तो फीट, तीन हुआ तो फीट, एक से ज्यादा हो गया तो फुट will convert into feet. Foot is known as feet. So the foot, it has how many feet it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 feet. This is what we say feet or foot. Now look at here, the was unstressed, car was stressed, few is unstressed, toll is stressed, the is unstressed, nail is stressed, off is unstressed, par is stressed, ting is unstressed, day is stressed. So it has 5 feet following the foot as the curve, few tolls, the nail, of par, ting, day. Okay. So this type of foot, when the first one is unstressed, the second one is stressed, and we have 5 feet like this, then it is known as iambic. Iambic. First, in iambic, the first one must be unstressed, the second one should be stressed. The first one is unstressed, the second one is stressed. First one is unstressed, second one is stressed. First one is unstressed, second one is stressed. Similarly, last one, 5 feet. In the 5th feet is also, first is unstressed, second is stressed. So this type of syllable and foot is known as iambic. since it has 5 feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it has 5 feet, hence we say pentameter. Pentameter. I think you must have come to understand about this syllable and foot. Now I am making you understand meter. What is this meter? Mind it. इसको हम लोग फिर से रिव्यू कर लेंगे, इस लाइन को आपको समझाएंगे कि ये पेंटामीटर कैसे हुआ। पहले हम लोग मीटर में आ जाते हैं। मीटर क्या होता है? हाँ, यहीं पे लिख लो। 1 foot. 1 foot is called मोनोमीटर। ये 1 फुट, 1 फुट होगा तो मोनोमीटर। 2 feet is known as diameter. 3 feet is known as trimeter. 4 feet is known as tetrameter. 5 feet is known as pentameter. 6 feet is known as hexameter. 7 feet is known as heptameter. 8 feet is known as hectometer, like this. So monometer, diameter, trimeter, tetrameter, pentameter, hexameter, heptameter and heptameter. Okay. So iambic pentameter. I have told you what is iambic. जब 2 syllable में एक अनस्ट्रेस्ड होगा, दूसरा स्ट्रेस्ड होगा, तो वो iambic कहलाएगा। तो जैसे द कर, तो ये 2 syllable हुआ, एक हुआ अनस्ट्रेस्ड, एक हुआ स्ट्रेस्ड, इसलिए इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे आयाम्बिक। चूंकि इस पूरे लाइन में 5 फीट है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, तो 5 फीट को हम लोग बोलते हैं पेंटामीटर। तो ये पूरा लाइन कहलाएगा आयाम्बिक पेंटामीटर। इसके जस्ट अपोजिट अगर आप बोलेंगे, अगर आप पूछेंगे कि ये अगर स्ट्रेस्ड हुआ, ये अगर अनस्ट्रेस्ड हुआ, ये स्ट्रेस्ड हुआ, इसको रिवर्स कर दें हम लोग कि दी को हम लोग स्ट्रेस्ड बना दें और कर को अनस्ट्रेस्ड बना दें, तो ऐसा स्थिति में अगर ये जस्ट उलट जाएगा तो वो आयाम्बिक नहीं होकर के क्या कहलाएगा? ट्रोकेइक। वो कहलाएगा ट्रोकेइक। ट्रोकेइक में पहले होता है स्ट्रेस्ड, फिर होता है अनस्ट्रेस्ड। मीटर जितना निकलेगा आप उसको बोल सकते हैं ये मोनोमीटर, डायमीटर, ट्राइमीटर, जो बोल रहा है, जो मीटर निकलेगा आप उस हिसाब से उसको बोल देंगे। अगर इसको सिर्फ इसी को बोलना है तो ये दो, चूंकि एक ही फुट निकला है, ये दोनों दो मिला के 1 फुट हुआ, 2 सिलेबल मिला के 1 फुट हुआ, तो इसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं आयाम्बिक मोनोमीटर। ये अब जितना लंबा जाएगा तो ये पेंटामीटर में जाकर के खत्म हुआ है, तो ये हो गया है आयाम्बिक पेंटामीटर। अगर सिर्फ द कर लोगे तो हो जाएगा आयाम्बिक मोनोमीटर। अगर ये 2 को ले लोगे एक साथ तो ये क्या कहलाएगा? आयाम्बिक डायमीटर। अगर आपने ये 3 को ले लिया तो ये क्या कहलाएगा? आयाम्बिक ट्राइमीटर। इस तरह से आप आगे बढ़ेंगे। तो ये हुआ 8 फीट तक, इसको हम लोग मीटर बोलते हैं। तो हो गया आपका सिलेबल, फुट और मीटर। ये छोटा सा एपिसोड आपको बना रहा। इसके बाद का एपिसोड में हम लोग देखेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ वर्स, स्टैंजा, कितने तरह का स्टांजा होता है, वर्स कितने तरह का होगा, और फिर फॉर्मल वर्स किसको कहते हैं, ब्लैंक वर्स किसको कहते हैं, फ्री वर्स किसको कहते हैं। अभी हमने नाम लिया था स्टांजा में, चौसेरियन स्टांजा किसको कहते हैं, स्पेंसेरियन स्टांजा किसको कहते हैं, ओटावा रीमा किसको कहते हैं, कॉपलेट किसको कहते हैं, ट्रिपलेट किसको कहते हैं, क्वाड्रेंट किसको कहते हैं, हीरोइक कॉपलेट किसको कहते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह बहुत सारे हैं। इसका हम लोग एक नया, इसके बाद का एपिसोड हम लोग स्टांजा के ऊपर बनाएंगे, वर्स के ऊपर बनाएंगे। थैंक यू ऑल।